It's tough being a littler brand, even with a cute name, because the big brands get all the attention. If you don't have the brand power, the most practical thing to do is offer something with comparable features, but at a way lower price. That's just one of the strategies EarFun is using to take on the competition with the EarFun AirPro 3. I recently got a pair of these wireless earbuds to test out, so I'll share what they're like to set up and to use, how comfortable they are, and most importantly, how they sound. I'll wrap things up with the pros and the cons and let you know if I think I can recommend these earbuds for you. What you'll find in every EarFun AirPro 3 box is mostly what you'd expect: the wireless earbuds and the charging case, along with a user manual and a USB-C charging cable. The AirPro 3 impressively includes 4 sizes of ear tips. You get 1 on the buds and 3 more in the box. The design of the EarFun AirPro 3 is a bit uninspiring, though it does remind me a little of Apple's AirPods, so you can sort of see where EarFun is going with its product name. It is nice to see EarFun adding IPX5 sweat and water protection to the earbuds, which is something you don't typically see on a pair of earbuds at this price range. Pulling the EarFun AirPro 3 out of the charging case, I'm struck by how substantial they feel. They feel really solid and sleek and not cheap in any way. I put them into my ears and I was immediately rewarded with a snug but comfortable fit. Pairing the EarFun AirPro 3 with your device is actually really straightforward. The buds support Google Fast Pair and they paired with my iPhone instantly as well. The earbuds support multi-device connectivity, and EarFun also offers a companion mobile app called EarFun Audio, which also lets you do things like customize equalizer settings, get firmware updates, and access guides. EarFun equipped each earbud with touch-sensitive controls which can activate several functions depending on the tapping pattern. The tap controls are mostly responsive, though now and then I had to repeat my commands because nothing would happen. I will also say remembering the tap sequence does take a bit of doing. Probably 2 of the most important things you're here for is to hear about the noise cancelling and the sound, so let's start with the hybrid active noise cancellation. The technology here may not be as sophisticated as what you'd get with, say, a pair of flagship Apple or Sony earbuds, but the noise reductions are actually pretty good when you're trying to focus. There are 3 settings: ambient mode, normal, and noise cancelling. Ambient lets you hear pretty much everything around you, and it worked really well. I could even hear a low fan running with ambient mode on. Normal mutes lower sounds in particular, and noise cancellation gives you a pretty solid cone of silence. Now, it's not perfect, and there are better noise cancelling earbuds out there, but for the price, I'm actually rather impressed. It's possible to get connected to 2 different Bluetooth devices simultaneously. There's a bit of back and forth process the first time, but after that it should pair to both simultaneously, as it did for me. I have to say I wasn't expecting much in the way of sound quality, but the EarFun AirPro 3 actually sound pretty good. Now, there is a noticeable, if slight, lean towards the treble side, so they can sound thin on some music, particularly if the volume is low, but like I said, this is subtle. The bass first hit me as raspier, not quite resonant, but I picked through a bunch more bass-heavy tracks, and I actually found a lot more boom and bounce. I listened to a variety of different things, from podcasts and music to Zoom calls and the phone, and I found the sound quality was great all across the board. When it comes to battery life, you're actually getting quite a bit. You'll have 9 hours of battery life in the buds, with a further 36 hours or 4 more charges in the case, totaling about 45 hours. Recharge time runs from 1 hour for the buds themselves up to about 3.5 for a refill on the case if you use wireless charging. Overall, I was surprised and impressed by the EarFun AirPro 3. This is actually a solid earbuds package with great sound quality and useful features. They're easy to set up and easy to pair even to multiple devices simultaneously. They sound great, and the 3 levels of noise cancellation is a really nice bonus that performs admirably. For the price, the AirPro 3 is quite the steal if you can forgive the downsides, which I'd say are the generic design and the sometimes finicky touch controls. If you don't have super high expectations for your noise cancellation, you should be happy with the overall listening experience and the battery life the AirPro 3 provides. In short, I can definitely recommend the EarFun AirPro 3 if you're tired of being on the big tech hamster wheel. These sell for about 85 US or 89 Canadian. Nice to see a not great price discrepancy for a change, and you can often find these marked down too. If you're looking for other earbud options, I've reviewed about 25 pairs, so you can check out Skullcandy's offering or see what Bose premium QC buds offer right now.